So what is SEO? SEO, search engine optimization, refers to the process of improving your site's organic traffic and ranking on search engines like Google. SEO is the art of persuading search engines to recommend your content to their users as the best solution for their problems. It brings free traffic to your website. High quality pages that answer what the users are looking for will show up at the top of the ranking without having to pay for any clicks. In order to accomplish that, there are 5 steps that every web page owner, content creator, blogger, or has to follow. So the first step is finding 3 keywords. Keywords are very important. There are the words that you are planning to create your content around. And in order to find those keywords, actually, you can go to a lot of websites to find them. For example, you can go to the website called Answer the Public, Reddit, or exploitingtopics.com. In these websites, by just simply searching your topic, you can access to a lot of keywords that you can spread around in your content on your website. And generally those keywords are long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are generally very long and very specific. For example, if your website is about keto diet, instead of just writing keto diet as a keyword, you can just say keto diet breakfast recipes. And also, topics that are relatively new creates keywords that people use to find information on them aren't usually competitive, and it is useful for you. Most content on the web doesn't get shared or linked to. 94% of the old blog posts have 0 external links. And the reason is content quality. The content needs to be amazing. Being good is not enough. It needs to be quite impressive, quite helpful, quite useful, because there are a lot of blog posts, tweets, YouTube videos that come out every day, and your content can be lost in them so easily. In the study, it says that long-form content gets on average of 77.2% more links than short articles. And another thing that you can do is adding a hook. A hook is something that would make a blogger or journalist want to link to your page. Examples of a hook could be statistics, case study example, a unique strategy, a rare interview, a tool or widget, or visualization. Step 3 is keyword optimize your content. In order to do that, you should add your keywords in your title tag, in the first 100 words of your page, in your image alt text, an H1 tag, an H2 or H3 tag, and in the last 100 words of your page. And also there's something called LSI keywords that you need to make use of. You can easily find those keywords by searching your keyword on Google and look what comes up in the results. And if you go down at the bottom, you can see a section that says searches related to your keyword. And the words written in bold there are generally the LSI keywords that you need to use on your web page. And now we're at step 4, which is optimizing your content for the users. Backlinks isn't enough. Now you need to optimize your content as well. Since Google can see the amount of time people spend in your website, it can understand if people really engage with your content or not. If people just clicked your website and leaves it immediately, Google will realize it, and it will downrank your website in the results. And also, if it realizes that they really engage with your content and your content is quite useful and a lot of people uses it a lot, and it will give you a ranking boost. And also you should structure your content so that users can get an easily accessible and actionable information. You should use short intro and get right into steps or tips, etc. The content's design also matters. Studies show that users largely judge your website based on design first and the content second. And the last step is building backlinks. If you want to rank at the top of Google, we cannot ignore the importance of link building. In fact, links remain one of the top 3 most important ranking factors for SEO. Building backlinks is basically getting other websites to link to your website. It is also agreed by many people that it is one of the hardest parts of ranking a website, but it can be so rewarding when you get it right. SEO plays an important role in entrepreneurship. SEO delivers results for startups. Building a digital presence is crucial for a startup, and no matter what the industry is. The best way to gain awareness, brand equity, and traction is through SEO. Optimization tools gives businesses easy access to data about their audience, and it is completely free. And also there are a lot of global and Turkish examples of companies that became successful using search engine optimization. For example, global companies like Iron Paper, Eptega, or Revenue River. I can give Jusico or L'Oreal from Turkey that used SEO and became very successful through that. These examples show us that in this digital world, we cannot ignore SEO for our road to success. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and hope that you can use these steps, these techniques, to also build up your website, to become an successful startup or a content creator or whatever you're doing online. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you for listening.